Hello, I'm going to show you how I did Java Assignment 5 for CSC 110. We had to create a Java project called Assignment 5 and make two classes, a driver and a circle class. In the circle class, we had to create methods that set the radius and the diameter and the area. And we have a constructor. And your driver should create a circle object and call each of the methods in the circle class to print out the radius, diameter, and area of the circle object. So let's go over to Eclipse. Alright, so here I have driver and I have circle. So as you can see in assignment 5 here, this is my project and then this is my package, and in my package I have two classes instead of normal. We always used one, now we have two. And so I'll show you how to make a new class. So here in my testing project, I will go to the package and I will right click on the package. And I click new, and I click class, and then I can name it whatever I want, and I'd click finish, but I'm not going to. So for assignment 5, you have your driver and you have your circle. So this is relatively easy. It seemed kind of hard, but it is actually relatively easy. You have to create, you're creating your circle object here. You have circle C, new circle 6. So C could be whatever you want it to be. It could be, you could type out circle, but I just said C. And so 6, that's going to be your radius. But let's go over to the circle class. And so here you can see public circle. This is your class, your public class circle, but your int r here, that's the 6 right here. So this could be 7 or 8, whatever you want your radius to be. And so then this takes r and stores it in the radius. And so this is a public method to set the radius or radius to value. And so then your radius, if you're just returning the radius. So here you have a public double, get radius. So if you type get radius into your driver, it'll get the radius from your circle class. But you have to return the radius like this. And then for your diameter, that's the radius times 2. And then you have pi times r squared. That's the area. So get area, get diameter, get radius. So if we go back to our driver, here we have system.outPrint radius and c.getRadius. So this gets the radius from the circle class. So you have to put this, whatever you name it. So if this was circle, you'd have to type out circle like this. .getRadius. That's not what I named it, so it's mad, but I just had C. So now it's happy. So now we will run it. So I can show you. So here my radius is 6, like I typed in up here. And so the diameter, 6 times 2 is 12, and then your area, 113. You could type that in the calculator, but it's right. And so that's the end of this video tutorial. I hope you found this helpful.